No, just get him in.
So Alec, what do we come across here, mate?
Undies off tree.
What's all this about?
Taking our undies off.
Oh, makes sense, doesn't it?
The old stripper move. Another fresh set of undies for the tree.
You're struggling with that one, Blake.
Huh? You strip your undies off? Yeah. I just saw you there, didn't you know? Alright.
Hey, my birthday was July, but...
You've got pairs to give away this time. Ladies and gentlemen, you won't find this in any tourist maps from the South Australian Information Centre, but this is the undies off tree, obviously very official there at the carton. And well, there's some undies off us and up in the tree, so there you go. I mean, how stoked would you be, Alec, if you found that tree when you're going up the Cape? How many pairs of undies are we down to?
3 pairs. Wearing one, and haven't had a clean pair in days. I don't think I would have been able to sacrifice any then.
No, but you would be able to harvest some of them. Big bad Alec in the D-Max, finding out what real comfort feels like.
Just a lack of power, that's all.
Ooh, lack of power. I don't know, it's got a chip and tune, mate. That's good. We're on the Frenchline going westbound, and it's kind of hard to distinguish whether the sand dunes are starting and stopping. It's like a lot of in between going on, and Alec's keeping a mean tally, but it's really hard to tell what to count as one, and we kind of realise now why they say it approximate. Yeah. And then you come over the last sand dune, and all of a sudden it's this gigantic salt lake. You're like, what? Sick though. Loving it. A little bit frustrating. Everyone's got to use the same UHF channel in the Simpson Desert. Everyone's on channel 10 just for safety reasons. But how far are we, Nico?
We're about 40 k's. About 40 k's off the intersection of the Carlson's track and Frenchline.
I'm thinking that's probably a good aim point for the night, or see if we get a bit further depending on how the track goes. But just as we've come out of the last horrible section of just cut up road, it's just really opened up a little bit in between the dunes. We're actually starting to hit 50 or 60 opposed to 20 in between the dunes. It's just been pretty hard going. Now and again you get a little bump, but
it's not too bad overall. Yeah, the distance between the dunes has really opened up a bit, and probably the dunes have gotten a bit steeper in the climbs themselves. Whether or not that's just the fact that there's not as many and we're starting to notice it or not, that's a different question. But
hey Ali, got a tally check on the dunes?
No, I stopped game and the fence starts to run out every time I put a tally down when you got box.
So no tally count, that's disappointing here, mate.
Oh, sick of it. And the pen was just, both pens were just shit to use. I'm still getting a tally up with Emacs when I get stuck.
So I can't even tell you how many dunes have done.
yeah, great. You got winners.
What are we doing, Curtis?
We been a little bit cautious at the top of this massive sand dune here. Didn't want to send it over the edge too far, and so we backed off, and that was our first mistake. So rather than going all the way back down the hill and punching it, we're going to go just rip these max tracks off and just quickly pop ourselves up and out. Be easy as. I could have just put the locker in.
Oh yeah.
Bucket, come here. Digging.
Best recovery, but we did forget one thing, and that was putting straps onto the max tracks. Where are the other three? Oh no. Oh dearie.
Oh, it doesn't even make the max tracks! Oh.
After a big effort on the Frenchline today, we'd conquered plenty of sand dunes, covered a lot of Ks and built up a big appetite. With just how rough the Frenchline had turned out to be, we decided to pull into camp while we still had a few hours of daylight to run a spanner over the cars and check on today's draw breakages. Tomorrow, we finish the Frenchline and hopefully find ourselves a desert oasis.
It's actually not really maintenance, it's just
Mate, it's great to see. Nothing's wrong with big bag cruiser, is there?
There's not a squeak in this car.
Not a squeak, you just tighten that bolt, fucking half an
There's a
inch.
lot over here.
Yeah, sugar.
No.
What's happened to you, mate?
Well,
Draws.
had an excellent time. It's actually creamed itself a little bit. It's just really had a great time with the trucks today. All through it. It's just
Oh no.
Oh, bullshit.
so.
Oh.
No more Mr. Orange for clean our hands, but you know,
Yes.
shit happens. There, my friend.
We're working hard here.
What is on the menu tonight?
We got jack potatoes, sweet potatoes, broccoli, carrot, steak. Works, mate.
This is a proper feed to get us going for the morning, eh?
Yep.
Because what's the plan?
We got to get out early tomorrow.
The main reason being why?
We want to get ahead of annoying couple of travellers.
Blocking up the airways, and yeah, we're going to get up early and get in front of them in the morning, but solid feed for now, and we're going to fly off in the morning.